Good morning everyone. I'm here with Jeevi and I'm going to be making my famous scrambled tofu packed with loads of veggies, loads of goodness, loads of nutrition. We've got heaps of antioxidants in there with the curry powder. Oh, and nutritional yeast for cheesiness and all B vitamins. So yeah, super excited to be cooking this morning. Yay! So we're just going to put on like some garlic powder and some onion powder. And then we're going to pop in some, I love this smoked paprika because it gives it a nice smoky sort of taste. And then just a little bit of curry powder. And oh, the tamari. I need the tamari as well. Nutritional yeast. I put a fair bit of that in because it gives it that really cheesiness. And then, yeah, some tamari as well. This was my own recipe, actually.
So what's tamari?
It's wheat-free soy sauce. And then we just mix all that up. Yep, and then we're just going to fry off the veggies and then we'll put this in. Awesome, there we have it. Yay! Just pop all that in there. And the mushrooms. Could probably do it this way, I'm not sure, but let's give it a try. This is actually going to make a fair bit because I've got a fair few veggies in there.
So because it's induction, it may not turn back on, it tends to.
We'll just cook that. Excellent, which is awesome. Use this knife to chop.
And she's making amazing, so delicious. Because I have tried this recipe before, the scrambled tofu, and now she does doing some bases, and I can't wait. And okay.
We'll pop the tomatoes in. We'll let them cook for a little bit. This is so yummy. And then actually I might put the tofu in as well.
So how long do you fry the tofu for?
Oh, just until like the tomatoes and that are wilted a bit. I've got someone who can help with that.
Good.
So we just pop that on top. He was angry Anderson is campaigning. Some shallots. Some parsley. And a little bit of chili. There you have it. Awesome.
Finally, the scrambled tofu is ready to serve.
Yes, we're just going to pop that on top of some spelt sourdough toast. This is, there we go. Awesome.
Oh wow, look at this. Would you like to have some recipes of this one too, guys?
Tell me when, JV. Is that enough for you? Or
Oh yeah, thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Well, look at this breakfast. Organic sourdough gluten-free bread and this tofu scramble. Oh my god. A great day today. Can't wait to try this amazing breakfast. cooked by my dear friend Angela, and watching this amazing view. Yes, this place is in Sydney.
Cheers.
Yay, did you enjoy?
Oh, so yummy.
Hey.
So good.
Hi guys, that tofu scramble was, oh my god, I can't even believe. I shouldn't say anything, you just watch my plate.
It's empty.
So good, you guys are so lucky. Thank you, Angela.